Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of the same old default emojis that came with your Android phone? Maybe you're looking to give your device a fresh, new look and feel. If you've ever admired the sleek, vibrant, and expressive emojis from Samsung's One UI and wished you could have them on your own phone, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install the One UI emoji module on any rooted Android phone. Before we dive in, there's a crucial prerequisite. Your phone must be rooted with Magisk. This method won't work on a non-rooted device. Download the module file from video description. Now, let's open the Magisk app. This is where the magic happens. On the main screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the modules icon. This section is your hub for all things Magisk modules. Next, you'll see a button that says Install from Storage. Tap on it, and a file manager window will pop up. Navigate to where you save the One UI emoji zip file. Find the file and select it. Magisk will immediately begin the installation process. You'll see a log of the commands running on your screen, and it will tell you what the module is doing. It's all automatic, so you don't need to do anything but wait for it to finish. The whole process is very quick, usually just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a big Reboot button at the bottom of the screen. This is a crucial step. The changes we just made won't take effect until you reboot your phone. So, go ahead and tap that button. Your device will now restart, and when it boots back up, the new emojis will be ready. To confirm the installation was successful, simply open any app that uses the system-wide emoji font, such as your text messaging app or a note-taking app. Bring up the emoji keyboard, and voila! You should now see the beautiful, high-quality One UI emojis right there on your phone. Keep in mind that some apps, like WhatsApp or certain social media platforms, use their own embedded emoji fonts. The new emojis might not show up there, but for your phone's keyboard and other system-level apps, the change is complete. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to give your rooted Android phone a fresh aesthetic with the elegant One UI emojis. This simple customization can make a big difference in how your phone looks and feels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips, tricks, and customization guides. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.